Hello friends, I am Prashant and welcome to my new vlog. So this is my latest portrait and today we are going to learn how to shade, how to blend or how to make any skin texture realistic. And today in this vlog I am going to show you what kind of techniques I have used, what kind of tool I have used. So I am sure that the video is going to be very interesting. Hair section because specifically in this portrait hair has covered nearly 30%. Generally I do not start my portrait from here. Generally I start my portrait from eyes section because eyes are very much important to draw at first, and I will suggest to all the beginner to start from eyes because if the eyes will be matched with your reference, automatically the portrait will come out. So that's very important. It's semi opened eye, so not much important. That's why I have started my portrait from hair section. As you can see, I'm just trying to making the highlights in the specific areas. I blend continuously, mainly in the first layer and the second layer you have to blend it. And I use Tombow Mono to make the highlight in hair section mainly. I'm using cotton bud, as you can see, to the upper section of the eye. It's a semi open eye. So I have used HB pencil to make the skin mainly in the first layer. After that you have to go for dark, specifically in those areas where the darkness needs to be applied. I have used stipple method under the eye, just beneath the eye I have used stipple method. I am going for the detailing in this area particularly. You have to be very much careful when you're gonna draw these areas mainly. So in this way we will continue applying shading, then blending. Needs to be matched, needs to be maintained as long as you will draw. In this way I believe you can see the pores of the scene and the spots mainly. The eye drops needs to be highlighted as much as possible to look good, to look hyper realistic. As you can see, I'm just drawing the ears mainly and continuously trying to blend it as much as possible. Hope the video will be a helpful tutorial for the beginner. At least they will learn something. If they learn something, it will be my request to subscribe the channel, to share if you like. Now this section mainly you need to be very much careful on the other side of the reference, because you need to match the areas and always try to highlight the dark areas. Do not go first for the lighted areas mainly where the light is falling. Go for the dark areas, then try to go for light areas mainly. So I'm just rubbing my pencil to just cover up with black shadow in the background. Background is very much important. Background needs to be dark when you are drawing any kind of realistic work, just to come out, just it will make the portrait come out. In the same way I have drawn this side. When you are going to apply graphite or charcoal, whatever it is, but you need to blend it even for the background as well. So this is very much important to blend it, because otherwise it will like just hatching. You may apply this technique, but if you blend it, I think that I prefer blending mainly, even for the backside as well. As you can see, I am just using Tombow to get the highlighted on the nose, on the cheeks, chins, all areas mainly where the highlighted areas, the section of pores section, this tear, the drop of tears. So these areas you need to be very much careful. I will also I'm using this white gel pen to highlight more some of the areas using stipple method. Hope these tips will be helpful for the beginners, for all who will watch this video. So friends, I believe you will be helped by this portrait. If you are helped, do subscribe and share. If you are new in this channel, do not forget to press the bell icon for the future notification.